G'day guys, we're at Fraser's. Came to have a look at a Ducati, and the XR6 is now getting towed. We think that starter motor that we we didn't replace it. Remember, we pulled it off and we fixed it and then we put it back on? I don't think we fixed it. So we get it towed home and we'll put a new starter motor in. I think it's the only way to get this one sorted. Anyway, thought we'd just show you that, and we might bring you back in if and when we put a new starter on. In the meantime, we might go and have a look at some Ducatis. Yeah, just over the hump. Righto, we've got the XR6 down the driveway, off the tow truck and up on stands. The good news is we've done this before. The bad news is we've done this before and we know how horrible it is. Anyway, we'll try and get this old one off. You've disconnected the power, Henry, so you don't get zapped. I think it's a couple of 12mm bolts on the back of the starter. Get them off. And that little power lead to the starter relay, and then we'll pull that starter motor off. So we've got, have you got the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the new one. Looks about right. And yeah, that looks about right. Okay. Try and get this done. You've seen most of this before in the last video, but we'll try and get this off and back on as quick as we can. You able to get onto those two connectors pretty easy?
Yeah, well, I got one off now.
Good. Is that the bottom one?
Yeah. There's only the two, isn't it?
Yeah, one on the bottom, which is dead easy.
Yeah.
Take you 10 seconds. The one on the top, which will take 3 hours. Probably not to get off, but definitely to get it back on. Okay, that's the old one out. Henry's popping the new one back in. Those last couple of bolts on. They're impossible. This hasn't taken us the 3 hours that it took us last time. And then we'll get the wires connected. Righto, we put the new starter in. Just put the battery leads on. Starter up, Henry, see if it... Righto, we kept that old starter away. Well done. Righto guys, it only takes 2 times to do a starter motor. My recommendation is don't try and fix your old one, just chuck a new one in the first time. Right, good work. See you later.